Right under us, right under us. Holy shit. Hey buddy, what you say there, buddy? Give me a blowjob.
Wow, look how well he maneuvered around our dinghy. Oh.
Hi buddy, how you doing? Good to see you.
Wow. Get the GoPro going.
Oh shit, I totally forgot the
Yeah. Wow. He could kick us if he wanted.
Hey buddy. Hi there, buddy. Hey.
Oh my God, I can't.
Hey, buddy. Hi there, buddy. Good to see you.
Should have brought our snorkel gear.
Another whale. Somebody else came. That fella might be bigger.
Wow, he's so close, but he's not touching us.
Oh yeah, he's very.
Look at that big peck.
Huh?
How big his pectoral fin is.
Hey buddy. Are you taking video?
Yeah. This is amazing. Oh, wow. It's our lucky day.
Time we didn't bring our snorkel equipment.
I know.